Okay, getting back on Frank's truck. Also, this is a 2003 GMC Sierra. This engine has been rebuilt and replaced about 70,000 miles ago. It is a 6-liter Vortec. And we have done some research on it, and with that cam position sensor back there at the next to the oil pressure sending unit and the casting numbers up front, we've determined that it is a 2004 engine, but it's the better block, or two different blocks from what we've been able to figure out. And these pistons are standard, so when they rebuilt this, they replaced these pistons with upgraded pistons. And there's very little to no ridge in these things, so I don't think Frank's going any further than this. He's going to come up and pull the lifters out. We'll be able to take a look at them to check them. But as you could see over there on that head, number 8 had a misfire. You can tell by the top of the piston back there too. It's different from the rest of them. And so I think I know he's going to have the heads redone, and we'll try to get this thing back together probably week after next. If he can get it to the machine shop, it'll take him a few days to get to it and get it done. But our condition, we don't know if we can even get in and out of the driveway with the snow, so we'll see how it goes. We've got about 9 gallons of diesel for the torpedo. We've got plenty of oil for the oil heater, but with the temperatures where they are, we can't pump hardly. Well, if it gets warm enough, we can pump oil from the outside tanks into this tank. And as long as this, as cold as it's going to be, as long as it's going to be, I don't know if that we've got about 3/4 of a tank here, so don't know how long that'll last. And the pickup tube doesn't go down all the way in this tank, so we can't use the whole tank. Okay, let's get this one up, and then we're going to do a video of the snow and junk and evaluate whether we can get in and out of the driveway or not. It's supposed to keep snowing, or start back this afternoon.